channel, Makeup with Melanin. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is today's look. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, make sure that you stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, hey, and also make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you also turn on your post notification. When you hit the bell, you will get a notification each time that I post so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing content that I have coming soon. If you enjoy this look or if you enjoy my videos, make sure that you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Always, always, always leave feedback down below in the comments. But yes, if you would like to see how I achieved this look today, make sure that you stay tuned. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so we're going in with our LA Girl Shady Shine Brow Pencil. It looks just like this. And we're going to use this side right here and just brush our eyebrows out like we always do. And I'm going to stop talking. After we shape our eyebrows and after we brush our eyebrows out, we're going to go ahead and shape it. And I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process. Alright, so now that we have shaped our brows, we're going to go in with our concealer, and we're using the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline in the color 57 Walnut. I'm just going to rub some of that up underneath here. And then we're going to blend it out.
Look at that brown.
Alright, so we are actually going to be using these colors right in this corner. Our first color that's going to be for our crease is this light green right here. Alright, so for a second, we're just going to go back in with that green brush because I don't really want that harsh line right there. And just kind of blend that out like that. Go ahead and cut our crease. We're just using that Pro Conceal in the color Cool Tan. Looks just like that. Now that we've done our cut crease, we're going to go back in with this dark green right here. You guys can tell, but this on the palette looks like it's like a green shimmery color, and I was like, oh, this goes perfect. But in actuality, it's like an army type green, which it didn't look good. So instead, I'm gonna go in with this gold right here, right there, and put that on the inner portion of my eye. So this is how the eyeshadow is looking so far. So we're gonna go ahead and do eyeliner, liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. Today is literally not my day when it comes to eyeliner. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why I got this thick. Child, it was the time. I literally redid my eyeliner on this side like 50 times. Then I got it to the point where I liked it, and then couldn't get them identical. But honestly, whatever. I'm really being honest, because it really, I don't know. We're gonna stop, because if I keep doing this, we're gonna eventually get real thick, and I don't like how that looks. So next is lashes. We're going in with our e.l.f. Professional 3D Fox Make. We're using these lashes. I already have the lashes I'm using. I put glue on it to let the glue kind of get tacky, and we are using Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe. Guys, on our inner corner, we went in with this color. Alright guys, so we're going to use our Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara and just blend our natural lashes with our false lashes. This is the finished product on our eyes. Now we're going to go into our face. So of course we're going in with our e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And We're gonna do 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. In with our matte and poreless Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 365 Nutmeg. Alright, for concealer, we are going in with our e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer with a satin finish in the color Deep Cinnamon. Now we're going to blend that out with our Real Technique 300 brush. Child, I put a lot of concealer on. But it looks like my normal amount, so I don't know why. Alright, y'all, now we're doing our contour. And we're just gonna go in there. We're gonna do a little on our nose. And we are using them. Well, I said little. Alright, so we're going in with our 16-hour Camo Concealer to contour. And it's in the color Rich Ebony. We're going to use that same brush we used before to blend that contour out. I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but our under eye is actually already starting to crease. So we're going in with our NYX Mineral Set It, Don't Fret It finishing powder. We're gonna go in and set the rest of our face with loose finishing powder in the color 40 by Maybelline. And child, this thing is rich. You know I need a lot. Y'all, next we're going in with our highlighter from Juvias Place. And this one is the Nubian loose highlighter in the color Nefertiti. Whoa!
Ooh, highlight. Yeah, highlight, is that you?
How everything is looking. Look at this highlight. Yes. So if you did enjoy this video, or if you did enjoy the look, make sure that you give my video a thumbs up. Always leave some feedback down below in the comments for me. Let me know what you guys want to see next so I can keep the videos rolling. This is all that I have. Make sure that if you have not already, that you go ahead and subscribe to my account. And make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing videos that I have coming soon. Hope that everybody is staying safe out there with everything that's going on. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Bye!